Well, hello everyone and welcome to a very lowdown and farmyard based episode of Wild Your Garden. And in this video I want to talk to you about probably my second favourite wildflower after bird's foot trefoil, and that is this beautiful specimen just to my right. These absolutely gorgeous cuckoo flowers, which are right next to this pond that I'm just looking at with a view to renovating in a few months' time, all being well. But they are absolutely gorgeous. They're also known as lady's smock. So for those of you that know this as another name, lady's smock is what it was originally known as. Yeah, cuckoo flower, absolutely fantastic. Reason being it's called cuckoo flower because it's believed to be a flower that comes out once the cuckoo arrives back in the UK. Speaking of cuckoos, I'm keeping an eye out for the one that I found last year. If you haven't seen the rescue video of that, then do check that out on the channel, 3-part series as to how I found and rescued a wild juvenile cuckoo back in June last year, 2020. So yeah, a bit of a story, that one, but that to one side. Yes, it's believed to flower when the cuckoos start arriving. So, and I believe 1 or 2 are starting to be seen now in the UK. It's getting towards the middle of April, so they should be popping up anytime soon. So cuckoo flower, it really is a flower of wet and damp areas. As you can see, it's right next to this pond. The pond is just behind me where these soft rush start, and it's really kind of boggy, marshy ground here, and there's quite a few clumps of it lying or just found naturally around the edge of this pond. So absolutely brilliant. It's a favourite for a lot of bee flies, but in particular my favourite butterfly found in the UK, and that is of course the orange tip butterfly, which come and lay their eggs on these beautiful flowers. Well, anytime now really. 1 or 2 people are starting to see orange tips now on the wing, so early April they will be out and laying their eggs on these fabulous flowers. So they usually lay just kind of below the sort of flower buds. So this one, for example, they might lay, you know, just kind of underneath the flower buds or on the main stem. So keep an eye out for orange tips visiting. They are a great plant for any wet, boggy area, as I say, and an absolutely essential plant that I wouldn't even consider not including around many of the wildlife ponds that I do up and down the UK. So they really are a brilliant little flower, absolutely gorgeous. It's just so dainty. So I strongly recommend you get some cuckoo flower in your garden. There are many benefits for wildlife, a few of which I've just named, but they're great for insects in general and another good source of early nectar. So cuckoo flower, if you haven't thought about getting some in your garden, I strongly recommend you do so. They'll grow in most conditions and they'll also grow in fairly shady conditions as well. So a very good plant for if you've got heavy soils as well, clay soils. So yes, do consider them for your own garden. They are an absolutely beautiful sight at this time of year. And I'll put a few clips in now of the close-ups of these beautiful flowers. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please feel free to give the video a like, and I'll see you soon.